Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to delete all Instagram messages in one click. So what you need to do first is go to on Instagram. After that you have to go to on your profile. Then you have to go to on this three dot bar. Then you can see here is the setting option. You have to click on it. Then you have to find account. Then click on this account option. After that you have to click on this switch account type. Then you have to switch your account to a creator account. So click on it. Then you have to click on switch. So my account is switched to creator account. Then I am clicking skip. Then you have to go to on message that you want to delete. Here you can see there is a new option, this new three per icon. Then you have to click on it. After that you can see there is a new update. You can select this chat and delete this chat altogether. So if you need to delete all of your chat, you have to select all of your chat, then click on this delete button. You can see my chat is deleted. So this is how you can delete all Instagram messages in one click. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Peace.